Debbie's Cowgirl Kitchen. Hey y'all, hope everybody's doing good. Today I got up and I canned 5 pints and a half a pint of jalapeno salsa. I got the recipe out of my Ball Blue book, and Frankie said it's wonderful. I left a little bit out for him to taste, and I'm happy to report that I was 100% success. They've all sealed, and so that made me very happy. I'll come back later and show you what we're having for dinner. Good afternoon, y'all. I'm chopping vegetables for nacho night. Frankie and I are having nachos, and the way we do things at our house is I chop the vegetables and put them in separate containers so each person can have whatever they want on their nachos. I went out in the garden this morning and picked okra and some tomatoes. What else did I pick? Oh, a couple of summer squash or yellow squash. So I got some work done in the garden this morning. Here's our fresh lettuce out of our garden. And I'm just going to chop some of this up. I've got my vegetables all chopped up. This is for nacho night. For here, I'm cooking Moab meat, which is basically ground chuck with jalapenos in it, and it's very good. We get it at a local meat market in a nearby town. So this will be really good tonight.